Sehr geehrter Herr Staatssekretär, sehr geehrter Herr Ministerpräsident, sehr geehrter Herr Stadtrat, sehr geehrter Herr Martin, meine sehr verehrten Damen und Herren. Very honored and privileged to be here and to receive the Building Future Award. I sincerely thank Messe Frankfurt for the award and for the opportunity to come again to Germany, the beautiful, friendly, and technologically leading country where I spent the 2 very best years of my life. With great appreciation, I remember this unforgettable opportunity that was provided to me by the Alexander von Humboldt Stiftung to carry on advanced scientific research in Deutschland that shaped up my scientific interests and laid solid foundations for my future very successful scientific career in many other countries. I take this opportunity to sincerely thank the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization for their support of my research in plasma nanoscience. The Australian Research Council for supporting my Australian Future Fellowship project on nanoscale control of energy and matter for future energy-efficient technologies. And the University of Sydney for the opportunity to supervise many brilliant and curious students. I also thank my team of enthusiastic and hard-working colleagues and my inspirational and committed collaborators for the many exciting scientific discoveries and results that we produced, as well as all plasma nanoscience enthusiasts around the globe for the exciting discoveries and practical applications in this rapidly developing field. Special thanks goes to my family for their unreserved support, encouragement, and patience. When we say about building a sustainable future, we mean doing something to contribute to the solution of the problems of global importance, such as global warming, carbon emissions, energy, food, health, and environment. In other words, building future means solving problems that really, really matter for humankind. And I'm very happy to hear that plasma nanoscience is recognized as something that can contribute, together with many other disciplines and researchers, to the solution of these problems. What we are trying to do to make this happen? We carry on multidisciplinary, cutting-edge scientific research to develop energy and matter-efficient, environment and human health-friendly plasma-based nanotechnologies. What is plasma? Plasma is a highly energetic fourth state of matter, where electrons can be as hot as 20,000 degrees, while ions and neutral particles can be just at room temperature. The plasma is highly reactive and produces many useful building blocks which can be effectively controlled, for example, using electric fields. In this way, we build fully functional houses, buildings, and use as little atoms and energy as possible to build them. These nano buildings can also be custom built as nano lighthouses to emit light. What's important to note is that 19% of world's electricity generation is used for artificial lighting. The International Energy Agency has estimated that the energy needed to produce lighting induces approximately 1,900 megatons of carbon dioxide emissions every year, which is equivalent to 70% of the emissions from the world's passenger vehicles taken together. Since everyone, everywhere needs light, the amount of energy to produce lighting devices is also enormous. If we use less energy and materials to fabricate lighting devices and make them produce more photons in the desired spectral band, a huge amount of energy can be saved and an enormous amount of carbon emissions can be avoided. And our nanotechnologies help solving both problems. On one hand, we can reduce the energy cost of fabrication for every atom involved in this nano building. We also build nano architectures that improve the quantum and energy efficiency of these devices. In other words, these devices produce more light, use less electricity, and release less heat during operation. Dreaming about our future, we need to think how to build it. It is important to think what each of us can do, even just that little bit, to make this dream come true. And the reason is very simple. Wir sind alle Einwohner des Planeten Erde. We are all citizens of planet Earth. More importantly, we have to think and urgently act right now, before it is too late. Since early childhood, I strictly followed the key principle of my life. C'est qu'aujourd'hui tu peux faire, or demain ne diffère. Which means, whatever you can do today, do not live for tomorrow. And let us rephrase this principle to address the global challenges that we face. Do whatever you can today to build happy tomorrow. I believe that if each and every one of us, the citizens of planet Earth, will follow this principle every day, our future will be happy and sustainable. Dankeschön.